Good morning, YouTube. What's good, everybody? What's up? What's up? What's up? And then good morning to the Team Bold Discord. Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, everybody?
Good morning.
What's up, Grizzly Glock? How about the world's largest fair value gap 5-minute candle ever?
Crazy, right?
We thought we were gonna finally break that range. Market said, nope. Not today, you're not, baby. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. How about them Cornhuskers?
How about balls?
Yeah, we're both in the Sweet 16. How about that, Grizzly Glot? We're both in the Sweet 16.
I'm gonna be honest, I had balls losing this game.
You bet against your own team?
I didn't bet. The bracket I filled out went against it. It wasn't a bet.
Wow.
Got Arizona winning, so we'll see.
I got Nebraska in my Final Four too. Let's go.
Oh yeah, Tommy. It's nice, right? Surprise me. It's better. It's nice to actually have them surprise me rather than let down, you know?
I got the Vols. I had the Vols winning going to the Sweet 16, and then I have the Vols losing to Iowa State. Sorry, bro.
You had them go any further than that?
Yeah, I got them in the Sweet 16.
Georgia already let me down in my brackets.
Got Purdue. I've actually done pretty well in my bracket this year. I'm pretty.
Right back.
I was so happy to see Iowa beat Florida, and I hate Iowa. If you're from Nebraska, they're like our arch nemesis. It's like the freaking Duke, North Carolina, Broncos, Raiders. But it'll make it sweet to whoop that butt in the Sweet 16. It'll make it so sweet. Let's go. How about that freaking 1,000-point candle? Damn near 800 to almost 800. Absolutely bananas. I do not have a second account. No, I do not have a second account. If someone is messaging you, it is not me. Let's see. What are the indices at? Imagine swinging calls and you just think that you're absolutely cooked. And then Trump puts out that tweet. Bro, my tank top was large. I'm just a big boy. If I'm gonna have it loose, I gotta wear like double XL. I'm not doing that. It's nice having it a little tight. Sun's out, guns out. You feel me? No way, Gene's here already. You here? Before market open?
Because I don't have to take care of my dog anymore.
Thanks. Thanks for the coffee, sir. Go one sec. I just realized I forgot to do it. What's up, Mama Trades? What's up, Uncle Jay?
All right, Team Bull. I'm gonna tell you what I'm watching here. The closest setup I have right now. I'm watching the pre-market high at 24,800 for a possible short.
All right.
So 763 to 24,800. Watching that area.
I bet we got the world's largest fair value gap on Grisology, huh?
It's just a crazy candle, right?
That candle, yeah, it's bananas. Like,
You know, what is the top of it's like 735, 736. That's 24,000.
yeah, we'll see if we get a trade today. I'm not super keen to put risk on with until we get some
Massive move up.
yeah. Whenever we have enormous moves like that pre-market, it's just tough.
Horrible. I agree.
It's just tough. Oh boy, it's DOD time. I had some crazy good workouts this weekend, watched a lot of basketball. Now I'm ready to get back to it with y'all.
Solid weekend for sure.
Yeah, it was great. How about you? What do you do?
Some steak. Spend time with my daughter. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, so.
Solid. Yeah, so that massive news candle you're seeing was Trump saying that they're effectively done with strikes for the next 5 days and they're looking for a deal. But then Iran came out and said that the talks didn't happen. Trump said, yes, they did. So someone's capping. Someone's capping. That's why you're seeing that enormous 5-minute candle. Yeah, that Nebraska versus Vandy game was nuts. I literally was about to have a heart attack. I was about to have a freaking heart attack watching that deal. Let's see, night drive 3. All right, let's get it. And the oil have a big move down too. Oh my gosh. 98 down to 85. That's crazy. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Guys, we were so close to leaving that range. Literally so close, bro. Finally, what? Oh, market. Yep, market's open. Market's open, everybody. Good morning and happy Monday. It's your boy Jdun here. I appreciate you guys tapping in, choosing DOD. We have another day and another week to move forward, to take steps forward, and to choose discipline over dopamine in our trading. Let's get it. What's up, Team DOD? Where are you guys all checking in from? Where's everybody tuning in from this week? Where's everyone choosing DOD from? We got Austin, Texas, Cali, LA, SoCal, AZ, North Carolina, Belgium, Mr. Belgian Waffle, Butler, Indiana, Poland, Kansas, the basement. It's like Brandon. Mad Dog is from Floresville, Arizona, Toby, Austria, Oregon, Mexico, Seattle, Kansas. Sorry about that basketball game. Shout out St. John's, Tampa, Florida, Philly, London, Romania. Oh my gosh. Go Big Red, baby. That's right. Go Big Red, baby. Hawaii, that's my favorite place. If you guys had better hours, I'd be living there. I love Hawaii. Love that place. Ooh, I was not. I saw Grizzly sharing his screen. I forgot to share mine. Mars, that's where I'm going to send your trading account today. Straight up. I'm going to send your trading account straight up into the stratosphere. At least I'm going to try to. I'm going to try to send your trading account to the stratosphere. Wow. All right, guys, let's get it. Today is the day where the account can go to Mars or it can burn up in the sun. That is 100% right. Jdun, will you please take us to the promised bands? I get it. The promised land, promised bands. Yes, I will take you to the promised bands. I got you. Make love to our windows. What's up, dog? Oh, thank you, bro. You know what? We are deciding to win today. Put the Nebraska jacket on, baby. Oh, yeah. Now we're definitely going to be winning today. Easy money.
This opening candle might not have as much volume as the news candle.
Oh, yeah. Nebraska jackets on, Grizzly. We're catching a dub today.
Let's do it.
We're catching a dub today. Pay Done is in the building between coffee and Nebraska jacket. Pay Done. What the heck?
Opponent control is going to remain at that 24,685, I believe.
Yeah, I'm personally gonna be very patient today with that literally enormous move up we saw. 892 to basically 700. Insane. Literally just insane. Bro, we were so close to breaking that range. We were literally so close. We have, for as far as news and data goes this week, Let's see. Fed speed, no, another release today. PMI tomorrow. Initial jobless claims and consumer sentiment. Not a lot this week. There we go. News and events. Gene, you request your payout from Apex?
Yeah, I
Got approved? Yep. Gene got approved for how much? 3,000? Gene got approved for a $3,000 payout from Apex. Shout out Apex. Killing it with Asia. Week 23. You had Mr. Gene with a $3,000 payout from Apex. And he had 7K from FFF last week. He's killing it. 10K this month. Killing it. If you guys want to get funded with Apex, you can use code Jdun. It's only $29 for 50K trade of 8 end of day drawdown account. And what? It's 37 now. Damn, $7. $37, excuse me. Let's see what the individual names are doing as well. Hey, the value is there. I don't blame them. Whatever, $29, $37. Use DOD, it won't make a difference. Use DOD, it won't make a difference. That's crazy. Tesla went from 357 pre-market to 370. I'm going to stay very patient today, guys. Yeah, I always tell people if you want to choose DOD, do it on a funded. On evals, I want you to be a bit more aggressive. I don't want you spending weeks on an eval. But on fundeds, DOD must be in full effect. You grab something, Gene. You want to come say hi early? I'll be right back. What's up, guys? What's up? Doing good. How are you?
Yes, sir. Thank you, bro. It's the only Texas team I like. The Rockies are terrible. I'm not a Rockies fan. What's the market doing?
Watching anything, Team Bull? The Lord gives us something. The range is small enough. See what the range is. I haven't fully looked.
What was that news candle from earlier? Hopefully they make that deal. For cheap accounts, as a beginner, I recommend Apex to 50Ks.
Jeez Louise. Guys on the phone. What up? You guys miss me? Miss me. Had a good trade, then you gotta kiss me. All right, let's get it, everybody. I missed you guys. Let's get to the money, baby. You guys weren't telling Gene to full port my account now, were you? Yeah, Beckmer. Owning a Raptor is great until you hit the gas station. And until you gotta buy tires. Yup. Got my first payout last week using DOD 1200. Let's go. Congratulations, Matty Ice. It's awesome, bro. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. All right, everybody. So far, we've had no real direction. We had this enormous 1,000-point candle earlier on news that Trump said they were ceasing strikes for 5 days. They'd been talking with Iran, and they're working towards a deal. Iran denied the talks, so we don't really know exactly what's going on, but I would advise caution on risk until we get some sort of trend direction. Because remember this, guys. Remember this. At any point when you have circumstances such as this war going on, it takes one tweet. If you're in shorts right here for this, it takes one tweet. If you're in longs right here for the same move down. So just remember that. Always have a stop loss set and always have max risk accounted for. I think anytime in this market, hard stops are just not an option. They have to. It's a must. Don't appreciate y'all joining me today. Appreciate all y'all tapping in. Don't. What the heck? There we go. You see anything you like, Grizzly Glock?
What's up, Jdun? What's up?
I'm saying, you got anything on watch?
No, not yet. I'm waiting till we get out of this range at least. Give us massive volume on this candle here. So I doubt it's going to happen.
Yeah, we'll see. Got to break above that 15-minute high, huh?
Trying.
I had a great weekend, guys. Full basketball, good workouts, good weather, amazing weather.
Well, we got our breakout candle. Had low volume though, so.
It's the low here. 480. Also a very, very, very big stop for the retest here. All right, I'm leaving the Nebraska jacket behind me. I'm getting steamy. You know, we did have breakout candle above 15-minute high, but a lot of risk there. A lot of risk there, and also less volume. I don't trust it either. Don't. All right, guys. Still waiting. Still staying patient. Still staying patient. Which strategy am I using? I trade price action, bro. Push here. Baby, let me down just like my... All right, guys, I'm still waiting. Still staying patient. I think today and the next day or two are going to require a lot of patience. Nothing, no deep pullbacks on Tesla. Yes, pay done is in the house. If you were asking, we are here. We're just patient duns here. Come on. Ooh. If you're new here, I appreciate you joining in. You are on the #1 live stream on YouTube and TikTok, the DOD, Discipline Over Dopamine, live stream with your boy Jdun Trades. If you're on TikTok, I appreciate you guys being here, tapping that screen over and over, hitting that like button, also hitting that follow in the top left corner. And if you're on YouTube, I also appreciate you guys slamming that thumbs up. Spamming. Appreciate you guys joining me every single day. Smash that thumbs up. Let's keep getting to work. We got over 1,000 people here and 142 likes. Let's get that number up, baby. Come on. Sit, wait, watch. Sit, wait, watch. Yep, let's get it. Appreciate you guys using code JDON to get funded. Trading smart and trading safe. All right. We got point of control. What is point of control? It's 24,685. Pre-market highs at 763. I don't see a whole lot right now, guys. We're below pre-market high, below this point of control. We're just at our 15-minute high. It's gonna, after this enormous move pre-market, it's gonna take a lot of patience from me. Calhoun Trading in the Discord said, oh my gosh. I'm down 80 pounds from my heaviest as of this morning, currently cutting for a 6-week shred competition that has a 10K prize for 3 best transformations. Oh, that's awesome, bro. Bro, what was I eating yesterday, Gene? I was feasting some tacos de asada yesterday on the GT2RS wing. I was using the wing as a table for my tacos de asada from some spot off Sheridan. I was feasting some tacos de asada on the GT2RS wing. So fire. I was literally eating it on the wing. Gene's putting me on down off Sheridan. I bet Gene knows the fire taco spots. As long as they're gluten and dairy free, I'm game. Your Spanish ain't too shabby. Jdun.
Yeah, Jdun, how was the tacos yesterday?
Muy bien. Gracias. You like that, Gene? Corn tortilla. I don't have gluten or dairy. Salsa was very spicy. Not a fan.
I don't have a high tolerance for spice, though.
I hate spice, bro.
I sent you some jerky and you was like, couldn't really eat it, remember?
Dude, you trying to poison me.
GD smashed his bag in one day.
Let's go, Diego. Gene says, where's his at?
Do you like spicy food?
What do you think?
I don't know.
Yeah, he does. Still waiting on a setup, guys. Bro, I dead ass thought about going to Houston to watch that Nebraska game this Thursday. Do we got Houston in the house today? Start on. Do we got Texas in the house today? Where's Texas at? Who's representing Texas in the house today? Mad Dogs in Texas. Dallas here. H-Town. Damn, Texas is strong up in here. All right. H-Town. Yo, let's go. All right, I see y'all. I've got a lot of Texas in the YouTube. Jeez Louise, remind me never to make Texas jokes. I actually like, Gene loves Texas. You love Texas. You literally like all Texas teams too. Yes. Yes, you do. You see who lost yesterday, Gene? Texas Tech. Yeah, oh, they got beat by Alabama. Texas Tech got beat by Alabama. If we just slowly trend up today, I promise you I will not take a trade. Thank you for all the financial advice and paid services that you provide through your TikTok. Yeah, super expensive paid stream. Where it says this live stream is not financial advice on the screen. That's funny. You're welcome for the live trading though. I got you. Huh. Now we got a reversal candle here below 15-minute high. Interesting. But we still have a...
Hey everyone, I'm locked in here. See a short entry if we push back up. 575 area.
I was going to say, we could watch that with stops above like 615. Yeah.
Push up, 575, if we don't just rip down here. So, 570s, I'm going to try shorts. My stop will be at, let's say 613 if you can get her entry.
Got close. Got to 570 exactly.
Yeah, I want just a touch higher. I may miss it.
That'd just be a lot of risk with stops above that candle high. I like the area too. I don't love it, but I like it. So I'll watch to try it with you as well.
I would say today would be about a half size type of day with that move.
Yeah, I'm trading micros for sure. In the live, I'm not touching my fundeds. More than likely not. I won't say 100% no, but
Yeah, 570, 580 area.
all right.
Yeah.
We touched. We got to.
I didn't get in. I didn't like watching the bid and ask. Looking for a 75 area to 80. All right, I started. Well, I mean, I tried some shorts. M&Q shorts. My fill was 74.5.
Tried shorts with you up there. Tried shorts too. Small size of micros up here.
Yeah, we have to position for our stop loss to be at 5 or 6, 13.
Yep.
You don't like this setup? You're feeling nervous? Don't take it because this could be a tough day. That big move pre-market.
You could see him rip up and stop out in about 5 seconds.
Yep, it's one of them setups. It's either going to stop us out quick or roll.
I tried it up here too. My hard stops are at 615. 615.2.
I'd like to see 527 for your trim. That'd be awesome. Make sure you have a hard stop in. You never know when another tweet's going to come out.
I gave it a go. Gave it a go up there.
Just rip down for us.
Come on, push it down.
Straight down. Oh, it's looking good.
Come on, push it down.
Oh, wrong way.
No. Well, at least we didn't. Even if it doesn't work out, didn't stop out in about 5 seconds. So that's good.
Yeah.
It's trying to go in that direction we want. Come on.
Come on, go down.
If I had more risk on, I would have moved my stops to like 86, but I'm going to let it play out. Letting it ride too.
So straight down.
Well, I don't love that candle. I don't hate it either, but I don't love it. Yeah, we had about what would have been like 20 some points, but with all the risk on there, not enough to take any off for me. Maybe if we got below like 40s to 30s, I'd look to trim, but with the point risk I had on it, wouldn't have made sense to take any off.
Oh. Come on. I better do anything this
I don't really love where that 5 minute closed either.
Right at the 50
Yeah.
range high.
Yeah. I'm going to keep it on just because, but definitely not going to add anything. My stop is at 615.
Let me get my stop. I was at 613.
Is it 615? I have like, I'll lose like $900 if I get stopped out.
I would have added more to that 600, but I don't want to get any more risk on.
There we go.
No risk for me.
Well, it went up like 23 points, and it just said nope.
Yeah, I couldn't trim there. It wasn't enough.
Nope. Nope. It's not looking great.
Is Trump still talking? Yeah, law, like no one can speak during market open.
No more presidential speaks.
Session.
Should be a law. It's not looking great, but my hard stops are set. I wonder what that $1,000 bar this morning was. Trump saying they were delaying strikes for 5, and I'm out of this trade.
Stop me out too.
870. 870. Great. Great start to the day. Great start to the morning.
It filled mine a lot quicker than trading you.
Oh, I swear, if we just wake up and then die, I'm going to be so sad. But I like that setup. We had the 5-minute reversal, an enormous move up, downtrend from that pre-market high this morning, a few lower highs. So I like that setup. Just didn't happen to work out. I swear, if they give that wick up and then die, though, I'm going to be super salty.
That green candle here literally broke through the trend line.
I'm not gonna try it again though. I'm not gonna take any more entries unless maybe if we see some super strong reversal here, but I'm not gonna take anything unless we see that. Why does it keep holding on to that? Okay, there we go. Higher volume close. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't short this now. Definitely wouldn't short. This had like 23 points a gain on that. Just would have been negative risk reward. So I'm just going to wait now. I'm just going to wait. Wait and wait. Wait for an A+ setup. You're funny. Right back in this range. Literally right back in it. You thought we were getting out. You thought we were getting out. Trump said, nope. Right back in here. Right back in the range. Oh, there we go. Literally right back in the middle. We finally were getting a breakout below this like 24,000. Immediate move up. I did try the short, but it got stopped out, so now I'm not in any trades. I'm in no trade right now. If I'm going to look decent, we had this potential pre-market high here, lower high, potential lower high. 5-minute confirmation. This didn't work out. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Oh, come on. I don't really see any other setups besides if we like build above these key levels up here, if we get some sort of reversal up here. But besides that, I don't really see anything. I don't trade well when we get aggressive moves like this pre-market. I mean, this is insane. This is like the craziest shit I've ever seen in like 10 years. In terms of one candle.
I have one more setup I'm watching. The reject I was talking about earlier.
What's that? 800 area?
Yeah. 53 to 800. Well, that trade we took looked good. Everything looked good. Volume looked good. Looking.
That was great. I mean, good stop loss too. I'm always satisfied when a stop hits and it keeps going. So you know you made the right decision. It hurts worse when you take a stop and it just wicks it and then dies.
It was so overextended.
Yep, right back into the range.
You up still down around like 24,300.
Oh boy, let's see what else we get. I think we can still find something nice. And if not, I'll start my Monday red, which is very fitting for how last year was. I've actually done pretty well, fairly well on Mondays this year. I've had more green days than red days. Significantly more. It's not a 2-bar I would have taken because look at the volume. I wouldn't have taken it for a few reasons, but one main reason being look at the volume. Less volume. We also didn't get down to the 50% retracement of it. Even if it did have the volume, I wouldn't have taken it early. More than likely. Got Tesla making a move up. Oh boy. So as your reminder, guys, we're almost 30 minutes in to choose DOD. Win, lose, or draw. Win, lose, or draw. We choose DOD. We trade smart. We trade safe. We keep our risk managed. That's what keeps you in the game long term, is your ability to take losses. When you have them small. And when you win, you allow your wins to outweigh your losses. It isn't easy, but it is simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't. We got some strong 15-minute action going on, too. Some strong 15-minute action going on. That is a trade I'd take 100 out of 100 times, for sure. If we had less of a move pre-market, I might even put a little bit more size on it. But with this, whatever this is, lowering volume on these two, rising volume on this potential reversal. A lot of times you'll see us move up to this area and then move down. So the risk was worth it for me to test it. And if it doesn't work, then you just wait till the next time, you know? The guy I muted sent me a D thread. Oh my gosh, that is insane. How dare you mute me in this live? Chill, bro. It's not that deep. It ain't that deep, my guy. It's not that deep.
This doesn't reject its point of control. I want higher.
Yep, like 770, 800.
Yeah, it's just should reject here. I hope it doesn't.
little top tick. Very touch point of control, almost to a T.
Yeah.
Almost to a freaking T. Damn.
It's crazy how well it respects it. I just don't have a good enough. I don't have a strategy created for trading it along yet, though, you know. Is it for confidence?
Jeez Louise, that tested perfectly. Point of control. It's been nice adding that into my trading, for sure. All right. Let's see what they give us here, everybody. Jeez Louise. Little early on that.
Ricky day.
Make me alive. Make me alive. Nice job, Big Zoe. Oh, man. This is the type of move I wanted to see after that initial reaction up here. Less volume. That's interesting. The 15-minute chart actually looks halfway decent for a lower high, too. Yeah, point of control is the price. It's the level where the most volume occurred during that time period. So oftentimes it can act as like a support or resistance, like you'll see here. Like you guys see on my screen. I haven't really utilized it. I mean, I've known about it forever, but I haven't really utilized it until lately, until I started using Grizzology, the indicator. And I just find it to be a helpful tool. For you. Oh, all right, guys. Still waiting, staying patient. Oh for 1 on the day. Crazy. You guys see the founder of OF died? Goes to show that don't matter how much money you have, if you don't have your health, then you don't. Health is the ultimate wealth. A healthy man has 1,000 wishes. A sick man has 1 wish. To be healthy. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, it had to have been very aggressive. I mean, when you're a billionaire, you got access to a lot of resources that everyday people don't. Still looks like we want to find some resistance up here and reject. If we had higher volume on this candle, I might have tried it up here. But we didn't have the volume I'd like to see. Plus, we had a bit of a wick up. Only 43 too, very young. Any trades yet? Yep, just one loss. How many trades do I take in a day? Typically 1 to 2. I don't take a lot. There's days where I'll take 3 or 4, but it doesn't happen very often. All right, guys, we are at 230 likes with over 1,000 people on the Discipline Over Dopamine live stream. Let's get them like numbers up, baby. Come on. I know we got 300 in us. I know we got 300 in us. Hit that thumbs up button, baby. If you're getting value from this, if I've helped you make money, if I've helped you keep money, hit that thumbs up. Let's get it. Yes, sir, I appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all hitting that like button.
Still looking for another trade.
What do you think, my boy? My way, just bumming in my brains. You're learning. That's what matters. You're learning and you're making progress. That's what matters long term. As a reminder, if you're on TikTok, I'm also live on YouTube as well at Jdun Trades. You get my full screen share. Jdun Trades on YouTube. That's an interesting candle. $70. Yep, I'm just watching. I don't see anything I like. Be rogue. It's definitely an odd Monday for the markets. For sure. It's only 8:42. That's crazy. I thought it was already past 9. All right, let's see how we react at the 600. No setups for me currently, but I still got a little bit more time to trade. Whew. I don't think Grizzly Irish get. No, Grizzly's still here. The Grizzlies is still here. Where am I from? I'm from Nebraska originally, but I live in Colorado. Going to buy some milk, Grizzly Glock. All right, let's see if they finally give us something. That was the reject up there. Grizzly Glock. At point of control. That was the one. You take any trades this morning, Gene? Evals. Nice. Oh boy, let's see. Yeah, that Nebraska game was awesome. Just a classic. I mean, y'all know I'm a big Nebraska fan. That's where I'm from. But regardless of who you're rooting for, that was a classic. And now we got Iowa in the Sweet 16. Do you guys realize how big of a rivalry that is? They're our neighbor state. That's like some Duke, North Carolina. It's like Raiders, Broncos. Battle of the cornfields. The battle of who has better corn. If we lose to Iowa on Thursday, I will be hiding in a hole until further notice. A dark hole with no contact. I'll be crying for a week. I legitimately thought about going to Houston. I thought about going to Houston for the game. I seriously contemplated it. Y'all got lucky. Yeah, right. Oh, the Big Red travels. TSY, and I see your profile pic. Go Big Red, baby. I literally looked at courtside tickets, but I couldn't find any. I would do anything. Shit, the nightclub, bro. I hate nightclubs. Jdun, do not be wilding in those clubs, bro. I'm coming up on 23 months of no alcohol. On April 5th, that'll be 23 months. And then May 5th will be 24 months. 2 years of no alcohol. Hallelujah. Yep, almost 2 years of no alcohol. It's great. I'm like, I think 6 years of no nicotine, and then like 8 years of no weed or drugs. 32 years of no alcohol. That's awesome. Already full. Approaching 12 months here, DOD. That's awesome. Our generation, like this new generation, is people are drinking the least they have like ever. I've never had a Zyn. Never once. I haven't had nicotine in like 6 years. I guess, I mean, I've smoked a cigar, but I didn't inhale. So I guess like technically there's been like trace amounts of nicotine, but I haven't like had a cigarette, no vape, no Zyn, no like nicotine buzz in 6 years. I'm not even a nicotine hater. I have too addictive of a personality for it. I know that there can be some benefits to nicotine used in moderation for sure. Alcohol, there's just no benefits to. I don't want to hear, oh, well, red wine's good for your heart. Bro, just get some resveratrol from other sources. That's what they're saying with red wine. I'm not a wine hater. I'm more like a beer and tequila and vodka. There's just literally no benefits. I don't do any nicotine, but this is, you know that meme where like they're all pointing a sword. They said this is your unpopular opinion. I think that if you're going to use nicotine, you'd rather smoke real tobacco than vapes. Vapes are poison. Poison, poison, poison. All right, let's see if we can retrace and get a trade. Come on. Nicotine and Monster energy drinks is all you need. Sounds like a heart attack. Energy drinks are terrible. None of those either. I preach hate. Yeah, me saying that you should be sober. And energy drinks. I was like, yeah, me hating on energy drinks and drugs and alcohol is hate. I guess I am a hater. Point of control for the 5-minute time frames up here at 24,685 is the highest volume point for the time frame recession. Shout out from Chicago. Shout out Midwest, baby. Sells, I'm not sure which way I want to see us go. It's tough to tell right now. 15-minute chart's starting to show some signs of reversal, but the trend is also up, and we had that nuclear candle this morning. Thank you, Gene. As a reminder, if you guys want to message me about anything, if you have questions about which prop firm to use, if you want to join Team Bull, my private Discord, whatever it may be, you can message me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades on IG. JDUN Trades on IG. That's where you can message me. All right. I got to piss like a racehorse, Gene. You want to come say hi again? Gene's going to take care of y'all.
What's up? This market just does not make sense. I don't know. I don't really want you nothing. I'll mess around on emails. Jdun and Evans. That's not my favorite one, though. We were just already right there. Oh, Harry. This market doesn't make sense right now. Yeah, for real. My favorite is probably Los Caídos on the Alameda. Yeah, it's about to make me yawn more. Yes, sir. I'm tired. What's up? Hola.
What up? What's good? What's good? What's good? Dude, Gene, these tickets are so expensive for the Nebraska game. Yeah. Because you get tickets to 2 games. You get tickets to the Houston game and yeah. And you get tickets to the Nebraska game.
That's kind of dope. Is it UNH?
Yep.
That's hard.
There's not even you can't even buy courtside.
You know why? Because it's University of Houston. That's why. That game's gonna be all sold out. Let's just go watch soccer or baseball.
Sweet 16. That's crazy. Crazy work, bro. What's up, Grizzly?
See any other setups here?
Not really. I might just accept my L. I probably will. That's more than likely what's going to go down. See anything you like?
Yeah, that same area, man. Pre-market high, 24,800. I'll watch it most of the day. I'm gonna set an alert when I end the live, when we get off the live here. But I'm gonna watch it as long as it doesn't happen towards the last 30 minutes or something crazy.
Damn, it's going to be 82 degrees on Wednesday. All right, let's see if we get it, Grizzly. Here comes the market. Here comes the what?
Something above this point of control. Put a workout in.
What's up, dog?
Hello, buddy. Audio.
Market's ripping. I'm not trading point of control. I just have it on this indicator. That's all. Had it circled to emphasize it, but I just don't need it anymore. I am watching for this area up here to reject with Grizzly Glock. We'll see. Appreciate y'all being here. If you're on TikTok, remember to hit that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live every single day. Make it a part of your daily routine to tap in. Same with YouTube. Make sure y'all tap in at that subscribe button. Jdun, this is the first time in my trading career where I've taken payouts. They are small, 300 to 400 each, but thank you for DOD and more confidence in trading. Let's go. It's awesome, bro. Shout out. As a reminder, we got some good partner deals going on too. If you guys trade, options, I recommend you check out Vanquish. We've had more traders getting payouts with Vanquish as well. Options funding. Expose me for what? Having a code with prop firms? Yeah, hell yeah, I do. I've gotten payouts too. A lot of payouts. Guys, he has a code with prop firms. There's a scam, even though the person saying that also has a code with the prop firm. What? Yes, use code Jdun with Apex, Alpha, Tradeify, FFF, or Vanquish if you're trading options.
All right, Team Bull. I see a possible long entry here. You want to see how the morning's been?
The 2-bar?
Let's not go too heavy.
Bro's looking at a 2-bar.
It's 40 area long.
Stops below like 600.
Yeah, we could. Or if we need a little more break, we could go 623. That would then validate the FBG. I'm just going to miss my entry by 7 points.
Yep. Didn't quite get down to that 50%. Almost. Almost got there. Rick James said, trading's a hell of a drug.
Who?
I'm just singing a song.
I was too.
Oh, Mike.
I'm not in the trade. I was going to take longs at 640, but now it's 7 points early.
Yep, almost got there.
Points
Almost got there.
early.
Oh. I got my Apex shirt on today, too.
Nice.
Infinite possibilities. I usually wear Team Bull shirt, but I seen this and I was like, all right, we'll wear Apex shirt today.
Interesting candle. See what happened.
The only creatine I take is a natural. I eat a lot of steak, so I naturally eat a lot of creatine. I don't take any supplements for creatine. I haven't taken peptides in over a month either. I didn't really like peptides, but on the flip side, I didn't really have a need for them. Like BPC 157, I'm not injured. I'm not like old and joints hurt. And I take great care of myself. I eat a super healthy diet. I spend a lot of money and time on my diet and health. I think they can be great for some people. Just didn't really benefit me. He eats NQ longs. He's healthy. Nah, if I were to eat, I'd be eating shorts. Shorts is like Shorts is basically, might as well call it surf and turf. I'm gonna start saying, guys, I'm gonna start saying, guys, I'm in surf and turf. And if you know, you know. If you don't know, then they'll have to figure it out. I'll be going full size surf and turf if we get to 770 to 800. I wish I did. I get as natural stuff as I can from Sprouts. Why don't I just go buy a whole damn cow? Subtracts. It's crazy how fast time moves, bro. Need to be. Now you're gone. Did well today. Thanks, Jdun and Team Bull. I will see you tomorrow, DOD. Let's go. I was hoping we get that 2-bar confirmed, but just didn't quite get there. Didn't quite get there. If you guys want to take my next trade with me, my best days are Tuesday through Friday. Monday statistically are my worst trading day. So I'm optimistic about the rest of the week. Right now, Apex is 85% off. You can get a 50K account for just $37. Use code JDUN at checkout. You can buy up to 20 accounts. Jdun, what do you think about Mamba FX? I don't have drama about anyone, bro. You won't find me talking negative on other traders. Just won't. It's not worth my time. I will comment on Bam's 83-point game, though. I mean, you got to give the man respect, 83 points, but it wasn't the same as Kobe's. And, bro, they were fouling and doing all types of shit up like 40 to try to get him there. I'm also biased because I'm a Kobe guy. DOD, baby. Still looks like we want to continue this move up. See, we're rejecting this point of control again, but until we break this area here, I still think we want to keep moving on up. Thought you were a crybaby King James fan. Not me. I mean, I respect LeBron. He's one of the GOATs. He's done incredible things for the game of basketball, which I love. Love the game of basketball, but I'm a Kobe guy. Come on now. That's the only... Well, I guess I have a Jokic signed jersey too, but I got a Kobe Bryant number 8 signed jersey hanging right in front of me. I see every day. Who made that comment? Tell him to join Team Bull so I can ban him. Hey, you got a free membership only to get banned 2 minutes later. Yeah, I think all Jokic's signed gear and game memorabilia is going to be worth a lot of money one day. Because, bro, once Jokic retires, dude, he is never coming back to the USA. I promise. Bro is going to dip and never be seen again. He'll be on his horses. He'll be on the horse ranch. Bro is going to be MIA for good. Bro is going to dip and never be seen in public ever again. Ever. Be living in the damn stable.
You about to head out, Jdun?
I got about 12 more minutes left. I'm going to stay till 9:30. 11:30 your time. You want to hang out with me for another 12 minutes? Can you stomach that?
Let's do it. I'm not taking this bounce from you when we bounced too close earlier and made new high. in the area we was going to take the longs in earlier, though. But we already bounced.
I actually don't hate the longs down here. I don't love them, but
You can get above the point of control, can't it?
nope. This is the area that I liked for the original 2-bar longs too. Still a little sketchy since we bounced 10 points and then moved up to high a day, swept high a day, and then made a move down. Let's go, Jen. Jen's been back killing it, even with a baby in the oven. I did not take the trade down there. Nope. Didn't hate it, but didn't love it. Isn't the Jen was having a baby? I bet it's going to be a bull. I got a feeling it's going to be a boy. What about it forming the McDonald's M pattern? Huh. This actually is looking decent for longs if we close this here. We have quite a bit of time. We have 2 minutes left in the scandal. But it looks good. Damn, it's looking good. Let's see if it gives a 2-bar. Let's see what's the low here. 600.
Hope you can get over this massive 5-minute candle we got pre-market.
Insane, bro.
So that looks like a possible long entry.
Let's go. I actually don't think the longs are bad with stops below 600. It's just we might just chop around. That's my only fear. As far as like price action goes, that's what I'd look for is a move like right in here with stops below this low. I'm probably done for the day. I'm not gonna take it, but that's what I would look for.
I think I'm done as well, Jdun. I don't see anything close I like.
It's just not gonna respect technicals up here. That's my worry. I feel like it's gonna sweep and then do some crazy shit. See, that's exactly why I'm holding off. It's gonna do the bullshit. Maybe a setup could be too. If it was going to have any trend, I'd like to see a strong close below this area. It's the only time I'd even remotely look for shorts is aggressive close below, retest back up, and then die.
Waiting to see if you take anything before I leave.
Probably not, man. I'm probably just going to take my small red and call it a day. The candle is bananas pre-market. This 15 minutes not giving much either. Look at this 15-minute. This 15-minute is ugly.
All right. I'll see you all in the morning, okay?
You out of here, bro?
Yeah, I'm out.
All right. Goodbye, sir. Whew. Why not entry for short? Because we have no candlestick confirmation. I mean, you could, but... Oh, boy. Well, I hope you guys all chose DOD today. Why not 2-bar long? Because I'm already 0 for 1 in the day. And because we've been very choppy in the 15-minute. You look at the 5-minute chart. Like I said, I mean, you could try it. It's just we haven't really had a clear trend in here. This was okay. Okay, high or low here, but then we've just chopped in here. We don't really have a clear trend. We also got to remember we were down until we had literally enormous candle pre-market. So whenever we're slowly grinding up, it's my least favorite type of day to trade. What about the bull flag? I don't really trade flags. I mean, you can, but it's not really my thing. All right, guys. I'm going to mob out for the day. I'm in the racks hitting my push-ups. That's right, honestly. And I got to make the schedule for Team Bowl. I'm not sure if I'll be around for Power Hour or not. Maybe. It's possible. But trade smart, trade safe. Make sure you guys choose DOD in every area of your life. What you do outside in your daily life directly correlates and it influences how you trade. Become a disciplined person. Your discipline in trading will dramatically increase. God bless y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. Peace, everybody. I'll see you guys later or tomorrow. Goodbye.